Got an extra Mighty Max spare differential, and we're just gonna melt it together. That's the best.
Key is to figure out how to do this without burning, without trying to arc through a bearing or something.
Yeah.
I like that. I think that'll be okay.
Alright, this is what we're working with. We got a generator, going to the welder, and the welder going to the differential. Oh, it's on fire.
I don't know what that was on fire in there.
Probably brake cleaner going to the bottom. It's fine. Everything's fine. Or a fire extinguisher. We've extinguished the flame. That's always good. Little test feed on there. Started to not sound too good. There's oil in there. I mean, it's fine.
It might just be something right, I don't know. It might be out of fuel almost.
We're gonna let it ride. Fire in the hole. Or not. That's good. Is that the flammable stuff?
No, not really.
Not yet. It's now in one piece. Alright guys, got the truck all lifted up. Ready to take this old differential out of here. Let's see if I can get a sound. Pretty sure that's a wheel bearing. Definitely is a wheel bearing. So I'm gonna order some wheel bearings, get some fluid, So here's what the other side sounds like. Mind you, this was a welded differential. And the other one's spinning backwards. That sounds terrible. Oh! That's good for it. Okay. So she needs a couple things. So I got the brake shoe off, parking brake cable off. Now I need to unbolt the hub and the brake lines, pull both axles out of this thing. Then I'm gonna work on the drive shaft and the main pinion bolt. So, cut myself on accident, not on purpose. So we're good.
I'm punching myself in the face.
Okay, hit my head.
Oh my god. What the fudge?
Probably because I'm tightening it. Isn't that how? Look how easy that is when you're actually loosening it. All right, let's switch to the electric tool. I love working on cars. It's the best. Ow. One more, and this whole axle shaft is coming up out of here. And the dirt. The real question here is, should I drain the fluid first? I think I'm gonna do that. Remove my supports so I can drain this fluid. I'm gonna get back with y'all guys in a second. I'm just gonna move one because I don't want to die. Slide this juicy oil pan up under there. There we go. Going in. Hopefully I grabbed the right size. I think it's 22. Mother trucker. Dude, now I gotta crawl back out. I don't even from underneath this thing. Okay, well, I'll be back. What this thing looks like. Oh, chunky. Some big pieces on there. Very sparkly. It's fine. Everything's fine. All right, now that's all drained out. I'll pull this. Hopefully I don't need anything special. Cause it wasn't that hard going in. Oh yeah, there we go. This one should just come right out. Oh yeah. So, I don't remember if that's normal for the wheel bearing. Probably not though. I just couldn't hear it over the freaking exhaust. So, let's pull the other side out. That's the one that actually sounds the worst. Rip that off there real quick. Here we go. Good job, Dale. Now it's not reversible. Well, this is embarrassing. All right, here's the first person to me pulling it out. And that does the same thing. I mean, I don't think that's particularly bad. But there's still grease over here, and the seals are fine. Oh yeah. I think that we're good. Oh yeah, dude, we're good. That doesn't sound bad at all. There's like no grinding, there's no rough spots or anything, so I think I'm just gonna send that. So, glad that went smoothly. So, Ugh. Move that out the way. Chunks of spider gear broken off. We could re-weld this and reuse it. Have a spare.
Well, we got 2 diffs and 1 Mighty Max. You know what that means?
What's that?
We need another Mighty Max.
All right, crawl up inside this. Show you guys what the inside of the housing looks like. Oh, it is sparkly. And there's all the welds.
Found all the welds. Did it break off?
I'm just gonna grab a handful of it. That's good. Found the spider gear.
Ooh. I bet when it was a lot, because it didn't do it every time, did it?
Not only when you were turning. It would be like, pow, and then break another one loose. We can glue it back together.
Look at the crack in that one.
That's wild.
It's like shattered. Because it's hardened steel.
Yeah.
All right.
Start fabricating the exhaust. At least get an idea of what we need to measure for it. So yeah, try to jump it with the Mighty Max. Oh, hold on, part loose connection. Try that. Oh yeah, the E85 light.
isn't it?
Yeah. All right.